I hope you're having a great day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lisa. I gotta get warmed up here.
Happy birthday, Lisa. Have a wonderful...
Hey Lisa, happy birthday. I hope you have a great day celebrating. Thanks for being such an amazing person and an even better boss. Enjoy your special day today. Cheers to you. I feel like I need to have a glass of wine and cheers to you.
I just wanted to take the time to wish you a happy birthday and all the best for the year ahead.
La, 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 la.
Merry Christmas, Lisa.
No.
Happy birthday, Lisa. Have a good one.
Happy birthday, Lisa.
Happy birthday, Lisa. Thanks for making 15 Light Years such a great place to work. Enjoy your trip. You're awesome.
Who else makes this place really nice to work?
I can think of one person only.
Hey Lisa, it's Eric. I wanted to wish you a happy birthday from me and my little assistant here, who is tired of me trying to put her on camera. Anyway, hope you're having an amazing day, and look forward to seeing you in the near future. Bye-bye.
Hey Lisa, just wanted to say happy birthday to my very best friend, next to Ashley.
Happy birthday, Lisa. I hope that you have an amazing day as you deserve for being such a great mom, role model, boss, and friend.
Happy birthday, Lisa.
La, 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 la.
Hey Lisa, this is Jose. Happy birthday. Hope you have a good one.
Hey Lisa, just wanted to say happy birthday.
Lisa. Happy birthday, Lisa.
Hi Lisa. Lane and I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. We hope this year brings you all the good things. Thank you for being you. We love you. Buddy, you're not supposed to yawn.
Perfect. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lisa. Happy birthday to you. Thank you for being you. Happy birthday, girl.